How to add another Monzo account? Let's get started. Monzo does not allow adding a second physical card unless your current one is lost or damaged. To replace it, open the Monzo app, tap the freeze icon under your card, then order a replacement card. Monzo lets you have up to 5 active virtual cards at a time. You can create up to 100 virtual cards per year. To manage them, open the app and go to the card section. Tap to add or delete virtual cards as needed. Open the Monzo app and go to the account section. Tap Add another account. Select and connect your other bank account. You will now be able to view balances and transactions across all accounts in one place. If you are on a Monzo business team plan, you can add expense card holders by inviting them the same way you add team members, and that's how you add another card or account in Monzo. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.